Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about basic of spreadsheet from practical point of view. So first of all, let us understand what is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is an application software which has an arrangement of columns in rows, and it is used to organize, analyze, calculate and report information. And one of the example of spreadsheet which is most commonly used is Microsoft Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, you can go to Start, press Windows button in R and type Excel and press enter, or the other way is you can type Excel on the search bar and select Microsoft Office Excel 2007. If you check the layout of the Microsoft Excel, we have the Office button where there are some commands about the files, menu bar, name bar, formula bar, and in Microsoft Excel all the columns are named in alphabetical order, all the rows in numbers. So if you check the name bar, it is given as C8 and it is named after the column name and the row name, that is C and 8, and therefore a cell is an intersection of a column and a row. In Microsoft Excel, one of the features that you have to know is its ability to arrange some numbers and letters in sequential order, and one of them is the counting numbers or the serial numbers. So if you need serial numbers, that is from 1 up to some numbers, we'll type 1 here, and after typing, go to the corner and press Ctrl key and drag it down using mouse. So as you can see, the numbers are being increased. So that will be our cell number. Another example is the days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and all. So if I write Monday here and drag it down from here, it will bring out the days in sequential order. Or I can also write the days in short, like if I write MON here and drag it down from the corner again, it will bring out the days in short in sequential manner. Or it can be months also. So if I write January here and drag down from the right corner, it will give you the sequence of the months from January to December. Not only days and months and serial number, it can be user-defined sequence also. So if I want to make the items list as item 1, item 2 and so on, I can write items 1, and if you use without using the control key and if you drag it down from the corner, it will increase the items number by itself. Now you can always do the formatting, like changing the top heading color. So to change the color, select the whole part of the heading and you can color from the bucket tool, change the text color. You can also give border to the area, so select the whole part of the table, and in here you select all borders. That will give you the border for the whole part of the table. And in order to adjust the height and width of the table, go to format, and suppose if I want to increase the row height, go to row height and give a number and click OK. You can also increase or decrease the row height or the column size by going in between the two rows or in between the two columns. Like for example, if I want to increase the height of the row 7, I'll have to go in between 7 and 8, so just below that row, and increase the width. It will be the same for column as well. So if I want to increase the width of the column B, I'll have to go in between B and C, click there and increase the width. And suppose if I want to insert a row, like for example a row between serial number 7 and 8, go to the 8, that is the last column between 7 and 8, and right click there and click insert, and it will insert a new row. And in the same way you can also insert a new column, for example a column between C and D. So you'll have to go to D, right click there and click on insert. That will allow you to insert a new column. Now what we've been doing is in sheet 1, which is called the worksheet, because it is single sheet, and I can create a new sheet just by going to sheet 2. And if I make another sheet, like write some numbers here, now since it has 2 sheets, now it becomes a workbook. So worksheet is a single sheet, and then if you combine 2 or more worksheets, it becomes a workbook.